Perfect. So this is my dashboard. The first product you will see is my Crayola Super Tips washable markers, which I had initially listed at $9.99. Based on that, so I'd initially listed it at $9.99 minus the fees, $6.76, $3 and was going to leave me with $3.23 profit from Amazon minus the cost. You always want to factor in your cost because this is a business. You always want to know your cost. You want to know your cost. You want to know your margins. Minus the $1.99. That's not going to work for me because that means I make a profit of $1.24, and no. So that's why I changed the pricing to $12.99. So if I change the pricing to $12.99, and unfortunately I can't calculate the fees because this dashboard is still calculating it out, and as you can see, it takes about 15 minutes. So I apologize about that. I'll come back to that. If we go to the next product, which is going to be the Crayola 24 washable fine line markers. Okay. Which is these guys over here. So these, I listed them at $22 right off the bat. $22 minus, and the cost here is $10.27. That's $11.73 minus my cost, $1.99. Profit is $9.74. I'm extremely happy with that. I'm not going to change anything there. Again, it was this product, and the profit, let me write it down. Oh, I can't spell profit. $9.74. So there we go, $9.74. That's my profit, which is great. So I'm going to leave it as it is. Nothing to complain about there. My next product is this guy over here. Where's Stinky? Is that Stinky? No, I skipped one, sorry. And right now, everything says out of stock because obviously I still have it. Amazon will not list it at all until they get it in their warehouse and they can fulfill it. Keep in mind, on the customer end of things, they're promising a 2-day shipping day or next day delivery, and customers are paying for whatever the shipping costs are. Okay, so remember that. The customer is also maybe paying additional shipping costs because the customer is either a Prime Amazon member or not. Where are my sleeves? This is my favorite. This is going to be my store favorite. I love it. So this is my Silly Scent Crayolas. The cost was 47 cents. I'm listing it for $18.24. I was going to list it, or the other price is $11.99, but I want to maximize profit on this item. So I'm going to calculate the cost. Again, $18.24 is what I'm listing it for, minus what my Amazon fee, which is $7.80. So that leaves me with $10.47 minus my profit of, my cost. I bought it for 47 cents. My profit is $9.97. Okay. So that's my profit, $9.97. Very happy with that. Very, very happy with that. So that's that one. Let me know if you have questions. You can go ahead and ask those in the comments. Again, I've been doing this for 3 years. And yes, Amazon does send you the payments at the end of the month, and it's easy. That's what I want to keep emphasizing. Once you get a hang of it, it's really, really easy. So that was I don't know why I skipped this one. The 24 pack. This guy over here. This one over here is 24 pack. This is the pricing I'm listing it for, $1.99, and it is $8.99 by, I'm going to list it for $8.99 by Amazon. So let's go ahead and do our calculations. So which is this guy over here, $8.99, $8.99, okay, $8.99 is my list price, minus Amazon fees, $6.41, which leaves me with $2.91, minus my cost, $1.99. I'm making a profit of 59 cents. So here we gotta do the math. Do we wanna increase the pricing, or do we wanna increase the products that we sell so we maximize on profit? So imagine if I sent 100 boxes, that means I'm making $50 out of this. I'm still making money. So I'm gonna leave this one as it is because I don't wanna be, I don't want all my products to be high priced. And I'm going to leave this one as my 59 cents. I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'll see how it performs. If not, I can raise the price. If not, I could also take it out. You can also take out a listing. Okay. $18 one, we did that one. Unfortunately, the next one, I changed the pricing, so I'm still waiting for Amazon to update on that one. The next one is going to be my $29 guy. $29.99. This is the 100 pack, the big box. I'm also waiting on the pricing on that one. So this is the $100 one. Again, I had to change my pricing, adjust my pricing, because my cost was $11.98 and I had initially listed it on Amazon for $24.99. I wasn't going to be making a profit. This is going to be a waste of my time. Again, this is not a hobby. This is passive income. We want to always make sure everything is an actual profit. So I adjusted the pricing to $24. I'm waiting for Amazon to give me everything. Remember, all this I bought in store. So if I decide not to actually send it to Amazon, that it's not going to be profitable, I can also return it to the store for a full refund because everything is still brand new. Once again, if you have any questions, go ahead and pause the video, rewatch, rewind, ask me the questions in the comments, and I will definitely answer any and all questions that you have. And with that, thank you for your time. Let me just go ahead and refresh the screen and see if any of these items